Assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Today we will talk about soil. Many of us play in soil. And what happens? Our selves and our clothes get dirty. And then we need the bath. Then the soil is dirty. Do you think that the soil is dirty? No, soil is very important. I'll explain it to you that how soil is important. Soil covers the upper layer of the earth. Soil is made up of 4 things. Number 1, organic matter. Number 2, water. Number 3, air. Number 4, minerals. Each of these are present in a percentage. Organic matter 5%, water 25%, air 25%. Oh, the percentage of water and air is same. And minerals 45%. Do you know that what is organic matter? I will tell you about it. Organic matter are the remains of dead living things. Which living things? Humans, animals and plants. When these organisms break down, they become a part of the soil and provide the soil with nutrients. How does the organisms break down? There are very tiny living things in the soil that can only be seen through a microscope called decomposers. Decomposers include fungi and bacteria. These decomposers break down the organisms and it returns nutrients to the soil. Which nutrients? The 3 main nutrients that are returned to the soil are nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. After these, the main nutrients are zinc, calcium and magnesium. There are 5 layers of soil and there are 3 types of soil. I will tell you about them in my next video. Allah Hafiz friends, have a good day.